This is my alter ego. Anita Maxwin. Anita Maxwin.
Oh, crap. Jeez Louise, man. You want that shit? Drake's the type of guy that would say jeez Louise. Of course you smacked me.
Are you attracted to women?
What were we talking about?
Are you attracted to women?
I just think that there's maybe a deeper conversation to be had.
Congrats, you won $25,000.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Can you please fire up the lance cam for me, please? Are we ready? Oh. Tilt your face up.